Now see question number I of question number 2, multiply. Here also we are looking the mixed fraction, both number are in the form of mixed fraction. So change into the improper fraction. How to change? 8 into 3 equals to 24. 24 plus 1 is equals to 25. So this fraction 8 complete 1 upon 3 has changed into the 25 upon 3, and this number 9 complete 1 upon 2 is changed into 37 upon 4. 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 1 equals to 37. 37 upon 4. Now multiply. So here also we are looking the number cannot, the numerator denominator cannot be simplified of both the numerator denominator, and the number cannot be simplified in cross also. Cross means the numerator of first fraction cannot simplify by the denominator of the second fraction. Like this, the numerator of the second fraction cannot be simplified by the denominator of the second fraction. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator with the numerator, means 25 into 37, and denominator with the denominator, 3 into 4. So 3 into 4 equals to 12, and now 25 into 37 you will get 925. Now you just change this 925 upon 12 into the mixed fraction. So how to change that you already know. Write down the numerator 925 inside here, and then 12 here. Now read the table of 12. So 12 7 ja, 12 7 ja, how much? 84. Now you will get from here 92 minus 84 equals to 8. Now again you will get here 85. Now 12, read the table of 12. So you can read the table of 12 up to only 7. So 12 7 ja 84. Now subtract. So you will get what? 1 as a remainder. So here 1 as a remainder you got. Then you stop dividing the number. 1 is the remainder here. So now write down into the mixed fraction. So whatever quotient you got, 77, you write it here at the front, and then whatever numerator you got you write down at here at the front, and then other number here, and the remainder here 1, and that divisor 12 at the denominator. Now question number 3rd. In a class of 50 students, 1 upon 5 of total means out of 50 students, 1 upon 5 of the total play football, 3 upon 5 play cricket, and the remaining play basketball. So find the number of the students who play basketball, football and cricket. Okay, so for football and for cricket we have given the fraction. For football we have given 1 upon 5, and for cricket we have given 3 upon 5 of the total players. So now what to do? Look at this solution. Total students we have given 50. So what we will do here? First we will find out the number of students who play football. So according to the statement, 1 upon 5 of total play what? Football. So we will find out 1 upon 5 of total, that is total student is 50. So 1 upon 5 of 50 means 1 upon 5 into 50. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, now 0 left, so we'll write 0. So we got here 10. After simplifying this equation, 1 upon 5 of 50 we got 10. So what we got? The student who play football. Now the number of student play cricket. For that also we have given the fraction 3 upon 5 of them play what? Cricket. So 3 upon 5 of what? Of total students. So here we will find out 3 upon 5 of total, that is 50. So we will find 3 upon 5 of 50. So we got from here 3 upon 5. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5 here and 0. So what? In the numerator we are having 3. In the numerator we are having 3 and 10. So 3 and 10 means 3 into 10, because between the number multiplier sign is there. So 3 into 10 is 30. So we got the number of students who play cricket, that is 30. Now it is written, find out the number of students who play basketball. So how many students will play basketball? The remaining student. So what we will do, from the total student we will subtract the student who play football and who play the cricket. So from 50 is the total student, we will subtract the student who play the football and who play the cricket. So 10 plus 30 equals to 40, and then 50 minus 40 equals to 10. So we got the number of students who play the basketball equals to 10, number of students who play the football, that is also 10, and the number of students who play cricket equals to 30. So we got all the answer of. Now move on to the next question, number 4, that is find 1 upon 3 of the 3 more questions are given here. First, 1 upon 3 of 27, 1 upon 3 of 39, and we have to find 1 upon 3 of 18. I think you understood. So first, 1 upon 3 of 27. So 1 upon 3 of 27 means 1 upon 3 into 27. So 1 upon 3 into 27 will result what? 9. And 1 upon 3 of 39, 1 upon 3 of 39 means 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 into 39. So we can cut this 3 with 39. So 3 1 ja 3, and here 39 we can divide it by 3. So we will get 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3s are 9 equals to 13. So here we got in the numerator 1 and 13, and the denominator here only 1. So 1 into 13 is equals to what? 13 only. Now question number B, 4 upon 5. Here also we have to find 4 upon 5 of 50, 4 upon 5 of 100, and 4 upon 5 of what? 255. So 4 upon 5. Here of means what? Of means multiply. What is the meaning of of? Of means multiply. So you multiply 4 upon 5 with 50. So I solved it. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 10 ja 50. So we got 4 and 10. So 4 into 10 equals to 40. Okay. Next, 4 upon 5 of 225. So I simplify 4 upon 5 of 25 means of means multiply. So 4 upon 5 into 225. So we can cut this 5 and this 2 to 5. They can be simplified. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. See here 25 is there. So 5 5 ja 25 and 5 1 ja 5. So we got the answer by simplifying 2 to 5 by 5, 51. And here we already having 4. So 4 into 51 equals to 204. So 4 upon 5 of 2 to 5 will result 204 is the answer. So I hope you understood this question, this exercise. Now you try to solve the remaining questions and solve these all the questions in your fair copy and make your notes according to this video. You can pause the video and can solve the questions. Thank you. Now next question of this exercise, 5th. Raj, read 1 upon 5 or 1 upon 4 of book in an hour. Now what fraction of the book will he read in 3 complete 1 upon 5 hours? So what is given to us here? He is reading a book of 1 upon 4 in 1 hour. Okay, so let's see. So in 1 hour, Raj reads how much of book? 1 upon 4 of a book. Okay, in 1 hour. So 1 hour he is reading this much of books. So we have to find what fraction of the book he will read in 3 complete 1 upon 5 hours. So in 1 hour if he reading 1 upon 4 of book, so in 3 complete 1 upon 5 how much he will read? Let's suppose the cost of 1 hour he is reading 3 books. So let's suppose in 3 hours how many books he will read? So for that, what we have to do? We have to multiply 3 with 3. 3 with 3. So if 1 hour he is reading 3 books, so in 3 hours how many books he will read? 9. Why? 3 into 3 is equals to 9. So we have to multiply here this 1 complete 1 upon 4 with 1 upon 4 with 3 complete 1 upon 5. So this 3 complete 1 upon 5 we can change into the improper fraction and we will get 16 upon 5. How? Here 3 we will multiply with this 5, so we will get 3 into 5 is equals to what? 15. 3 into 5 is equals to 15, and then 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. 15 plus 1 equals to 16. So we got 16 upon 5. Now this 4 and this 16 we can cut. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. Okay. Now we left with here from this fraction we left 1 upon 1, and from this fraction we left with 4 and 5. So multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. So numerator is 1 into 4, 4, and 1 into 5 is 5. So in 3 complete 1 upon 3 hours he will read 4 upon 5 of book. Exercise second is completed. You solve this question in your copy and make the notes. Thank you.